You know what gets me? We sit down and complain. We complain about our system. We complain about our political office, whether from the president down to local government councillor. But too many of us haven't even taken the simple step of registering to vote. And if we fail to do so, we've already given up our right to decide. And now, INEC has made it easier for each and every one of us to register without stress. So no more complaint. And if you have registered before and you are here to pick up your permanent voters card, just go to your nearest INEC where you register and pick up your permanent voters card. Now let me take you through how you can register without stress, whether new registration, defaced card, or even you've changed your location. All this can be done without stress, because at the end of the day, your PVC is your power. Hello and welcome to Know Your MDAs, where we'll break down what government MDAs are doing and how it affects us. I am Opeyemi Taiwo, and today we are focusing on INEC and continuous voters registration. So let's get straight to the point. Giving us step-by-step guide, online pre-registration already started on August 18, 2025 and is still ongoing. Physical registration and walk-in started on August 25th, 2025 and is also ongoing across all our 774 local government areas. And the duration is running for 1 full year, so don't wait till the last minute. You must take the action now. How can you do it online? You can now complete the following entirely online without visiting any INEC office. Apply for a replacement if your PVC is lost. Apply for a replacement if your PVC is defaced or damaged. Apply for transfer of registration if you have moved to a new location. All these can be done directly on www.cvr.inecnigeria.org without stress. Very easy. So who must visit INEC office? The only people required to visit INEC office for biometric capturing, fingerprint and photo are fresh registrants, those who have never registered before in their lifetime. If that is you, here is what you do. Register online, print your slip, go to your nearest INEC office, capture your biometric to complete the process. Remember, without biometric, your registration is not valid. So let's talk about the walk-in registration. Or maybe you don't have internet or phone that you can use to do the online registration. It's already started since August 25th, 2025. Anyone can walk directly into an INEC office and register in person. It is free, simple, and available nationwide. So who can register? You are eligible if you are a Nigerian citizen, 18 years or older, someone registering for the first time, a person who just turned 18, someone replacing a lost or damaged PVC, anyone changing polling unit or correcting details. How can you collect or change your PVC center? Already registered, you can. Collect your PVC at the nearest center. Transfer your polling unit if you have relocated. So no more excuses. The continuous voters registration has already started, both online and physical, and is going to run for 1 year. Because this is your power, this is your future. Your voice can only count if you have your PVC. I am Opeyemi Taiwo and this is Know Your MDA. Together, let's build a country where our voice is heard. Don't just complain, act. Register today. Collect your PVC and let us make change happen. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.